Hello everyone! In this short video, I would like to introduce you to the Matsuura MX330 and some of the design features and functions that make this 5-axis machine a best-selling worldwide success. The MX330 is designed to achieve excellent cost performance, maximum productivity, and deliver a fast return on investment for our customers, all from a machine with a very small footprint. Please see how close I get to the spindle and the table within the machining enclosure. This ergonomic design innovation offers a great access to the heart of the machine. As with all Matsuura machines, we only supply our own Maxia original spindles with the MX330. Our spindles are handcrafted, designed and built in-house at Matsuura, delivering maximum accuracy, rigidity, and sustained performance. High speed and high power option is of course available with the Matsuura MX330. This is a 4th and 5th axis unit. While the trunnion structure has proven rigidity, we keep it very compact. Even when the table is tilted, the risk of interference with the spindle is minimized, so you can engage in 5-axis machining operations without any stress. High-quality telescopic covers are designed into the machine with the steep angles to enable smooth chip flow evacuation and prevent chip accumulation. We offer spiral chip conveyors and lift-up conveyors as an option. With these options, you can take advantage of extended unmanned operation. Let's move to the tool magazine. You can choose 3 types of tool capacity on the MX330: 30, 60, and 90 tools. This is tool setup station door, offering wide access for tool setup. We have a dedicated tool management screen in this panel. This is an original Matsuura interface designed for ease of use. In addition to tool offset, we have functions such as tool life management and tool setup support via this screen. We have a Matsuura designed and built 10 pallet option with the MX330, the PC10. Most of our global user list of MX330 customers choose this option because it delivers profitable lights-out automation in a very simple way. Let's see how it works. Without complex operation, you can call any pallet. The pallet changer door opens so wide that you have plenty of space to safely set up 3 workpieces at a time, all while the spindle machining on another pallet. Keeping the spindle machining parts while setting up work on a multi-pallet machine is vital to maintain high productivity. In automation, pallet repeatability is critical. We adapted Shaft C6 for clamping mechanism of the pallet on the MX330. As you can see, it has 3 lobe polygon shapes, which makes the pallet significantly robust against the load in a rotational direction. In addition, the MX330 has the same pallet design configuration as our flagship model, the Matsuura Mach7235B. Therefore, you can share the same fixtures. You take the complete part, put the new block in the fixture, and press the button. The machine flags the pallet ready. The program is automatically put into the operational schedule according to the work orders in the setting. The schedule of automated operation is set up easily from this panel. You do not need another external computer to control this schedule. Everything is done with only this panel. We put many years of Matsuura's know-how into this screen and its functionality, and it is a very user-friendly interface. As you see, We designed the MX330 PC10 down to the smallest detail. Thanks to that attention to detail, the machine size is very compact. Even though the MX330 PC10 only takes a small amount of floor space, long periods of unmanned, lights-out production is achievable, as our many MX330 PC10 customers will confirm. The MX330 is a global success for Matsuura, delivering affordable 5-axis automation into companies looking for reduced operator dependency, lower costs for every part they make, while future-proofing their profits, and of course, making them more competitive when tendering for new work. Matsuura is proud to offer this machine to the global manufacturing community. If you want to know more about the Matsuura MX330 or any of our other class-leading CNC products, please contact your local distributor. Thank you for watching.